Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Smashing Things. Today we're going to be smashing these fidget toys because they're not popular anymore, so there's no use to them. So, yeah. We got this twisty thing, pull these things, grip it, and then fidget spinner. Nobody likes these anymore, so we're just gonna smash these. Oh, okay, well I lost my hammer again, so we're gonna use these two. We're just gonna use these two things. So let's start with this fidget spinner. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm not using that pull. Oh, there. Yep, that broke. Okay. Let's do this again, shall we? Or don't. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yeah, that came out. See, and I broke that right there. This doesn't want to get out anymore. There's no use to it anymore. Oh gosh. Oh god. Look at. Ah, that's some sand gun in my eye. Okay, oh look at that. Where did the other piece go? Where did it go? Oh my gosh. It went somewhere. I don't know where it went. Nothing out here. It's okay. Let's finish this thing off and then we'll move on to the cube over there. I'm not gonna end this until I get that one black bearing out. Guess we're gonna have to use the rock again. Oh wow, that sucked. Come out. Oh my god. Okay, back to now we're actually going to do this one now. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, yeah, first we're just gonna start off with this 32. Oh, okay, already a crack right there. Let's do this. Oh gosh. I moved the tripod. Everything still works. A little dusty. Unbroken. I don't like when it still works. I want it destroyed. So let's try with the stick. Oh gosh. Man, I really wish I had my hammer. Alright, go. Okay. Die. Oh, I wish I had my hammer. Okay. Let's see. Put that right there for a sec. Okay, I got a big rock. Oh god. There's dust on the camera. Oh, this is all the damage I can do right now, so thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.